What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this amazing peanut cake. Yes, this is one of my favorite treats. Let's jump right into it. So of course, that was me grating some ginger, and now I am going in with 2.5 cups of water. But if you want the reducing process to go faster, just use 2 cups. So 2 cups or 2.5 is fine. So next I'm going in with a half cup of ginger. Yes, I love ginger, and we're gonna stir it and cover it and allow it to come to a boil, and then we're gonna move on from there. So yes, Vibe Sam, this is it. All boiled it up, and we're going in with 3 cups of peanuts. And also I went in with 3 cups of sugar. You can do 2.5 if you wish. So we're gonna stir it up, right? And then we're gonna cover it. Well, I added half tablespoon of cinnamon and stir it up, and then we're gonna cover it for 40 minutes and let it boil, right? The whole thing. So look at it. This is where we're starting from, right? So yeah, we need for it to be reduced. So cover it, and this is after 40 minutes. So this is after 40 minutes, Vibe Sam. As you can see, we're making progress. Yes, slowly but surely. So this is where we're at. And so now that it has been reduced somewhat, right, we're going in with half teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're going to stir that and stir it in, cover, and let it boil until the liquid is reduced. Right, so yeah, that is where we're at again. And Vibe Sam, I'm gonna be showing you process by process what is taking place with the reducing part of it. So here it is. We're still not there, right? And then we're going to allow it, leave it again. So see, we're almost there. And this is closer, right? This is me coming back and showing you again. No, we're gonna leave it again. Leave it again, little girl. Leave it again, little boy. And this is it. So this is better. After this right here, I'm going to give it 5 more minutes, right? Because Vibe Sam, that is what you're looking for. Use your spoon and draw a line in the center of it. And if it part like the Red Sea, once there's space between it, then you know that it is ready. So this is doing that, but it's not so perfect. So 5 minutes. You see that line right there? Yeah, 5 minutes and it would be ready. So here I am just taking my little spray. It's oil, right, in spray form, and I'm just spraying the container my tray that I'm dropping them on. So yeah, Vibe Sam, you want to be quick with this because they will stick real fast. Stick together real fast, I tell you. So yeah, drop them and try to create some space between them. Don't itch them up, right? And yeah, then you're gonna leave them preferably some hours good, depending on how fast yours dry. But I left mine until the next day to dry. I was busy anyway, and I did another plate right there. But yes, this is it, Vibes fam. This is it. Look at my peanut cake. When I tell you this is my favorite. I love cake, but this right here, the peanut cake, is my favorite Jamaican treat, favorite Caribbean treat. I love it. I love it. So next I'm going to be showing you the coconut drops. Yes, this right here. Yes, Vibe Sam, let's jump right into how we make this right here. So I'll link a video down below of how I cut these up, right? But here I'm adding a cinnamon stick, grating the coconut, right? So I put the cinnamon stick in some water and allow it to come to a boil. Then I'm taking out the cinnamon stick because nobody want to bite that, right? That is optional, by the way. You don't have to put the cinnamon stick in there. So I added a total of 4 cups of water. I'm going in with 3.5 cups of coconut, and I'm doing half cup of ginger and 2.5 cups of dark sugar. So yeah, that's gonna be half cup of the ginger right there. Stir it up, mix it up. Then of course we're gonna go in with the sugar, and we're gonna do 2.5 cups. If you want to do 2, then do 2. By the way, remember that it's the sugar that bind this thing together. So yeah, you have to put sugar in there. Sorry for the person who's going, oh, that's a lot of sugar. Well, it's sugary. It's a sugary treat. So cover this for 40 minutes. And here we have it. This is after 40 minutes. This is what it's looking like it's looking. So yeah, go ahead and stir it up. And now that most of the liquid has been reduced, I'm going to add some niceness vibes. And by the way, taste it. Taste it to see if you need more ginger. I didn't need any more because that's where you would add it, by the way, after. But yeah, so stir that up, and now I'm going in with half teaspoon of vanilla, and I also added half teaspoon of almond extract, which is optional. You can only use the vanilla. Stir it up. I tasted it and it needed a little bit more cinnamon. So I added some more cinnamon, stir it up, and we're going to allow it to reduce just a little bit more, right? So this is what it's looking like, and we're going down some more, just like this right here. This one right here. You see, it's dry. This, you vibe some, grab up the pot. Let's go drop them. So this time I put the parchment paper on the tray and I'm dropping them. Vibe some, move your hand quickly. Go, 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 go. It is gonna stick together so fast. I promise you. You better hurry up and drop them. You better not be playing. You better not leave that pot right there, or else it's gonna stick in the pot. But yeah, vibe some, hurry up and drop them. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, run, 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 run. So this is them, vibes fam. This is them. Yes, this is they. Oh my goodness. I just love it. But here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have this. This delicious treat of coconut drops, vibes fam. As a child growing up in Kingston, Jamaica, I'm telling you, I would buy these things after like you know, when school finish, or you know, you walk in and you see the peanut man and you buy a peanut cake, or you buy a coconut drops. Yes, that was me. I was buying them. I love them. So I had to make them. When I became an adult, I had to try my thing myself, right? But yes, thank you so much for watching, vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and share it and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. God bless you.